15 quick and easy tips for effective weight loss. We all know that weight loss is not easy going. Everyone has to face its challenges at every other step, which often leaves us confused and sometimes drives to the opposite way of losing weight. Here I am with simple tricks that will help you achieve your dream body. If you're looking for exact methods to follow, watch this video till the end and make sure you implement every single thing in your routine. So let's dive into it. But before you get one step closer to your perfect body, make sure you subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you'll always be on time to hang out with us. Back to our magic tips. Tip number 15. Listen to your own body. If you are really looking for a safe and effective weight loss, my most important tip for you would be do not believe in everything you see online and always listen to your body. Your body speaks to you in different ways. For example, if you feel more tired and sleepy during hard weight loss diet, that's your body alarming you about its inability to handle the harsh diet you are forcing on that poor baby. So do not stress too much about the results and just follow these simple methods to steadily achieve your fitness goals. I believe that you are taking notes on it. Tip number 14. Get rid of that stress. Stress can significantly prevent you from losing weight due to combination of high levels of stress hormone cortisol and unhealthy stress-induced eating behaviors. Eventually, stress can lead to weight gain. Cortisol and sugar cravings. Sugar supplies your body with the quick energy it thinks it needs. It is often the first thing you reach for when you are stressed. All of this is done to give you the energy you need to escape from a risky situation, also known as the fight or flight response. Your body tends to store more sugar, especially after stressful situations. This energy is stored mainly in the form of abdominal fat, which can be really hard to shed. And so the vicious cycle begins. Person gets stressed, release of cortisol, gains weight, craves more sugar, eats more sugar, gains more weight. Try some stress reduction techniques like taking a long hot bath, taking a walk, listening to relaxation music, or yoga. Tip number 13. Get plenty of sleep. Poor sleep quality can often lead to weight gain and obesity due to increased appetite. The hormones leptin and ghrelin control our feelings of fullness and hunger. The lack of sleep can cause the imbalance of these two hormones, which will in turn lead to bad eating practices. Getting less sleep actually alters the way your brain works. As a result, it becomes harder to make healthy choices and resist tempting foods. The frontal lobe activity of the brain is reduced due to sleep deprivation, which is the part of brain which is in charge of decision making and self-control. So make sure you get good 8 to 9 hours of sleep every night. Tip number 12. Manage emotional eating behaviors. You need to know the difference between hunger and craving. Ask yourself whether you are really hungry or it's just an emotional craving. Hunger can be seen if your body gives you specific signals like stomach growls. And cravings are something that are often triggered by some event or action in the surrounding, such as aroma of food or sight of your tempting food in television or social media. Drink a glass of water. Sometimes you think you are hungry, but you are really just thirsty. If you still feel hungry, eat something healthy such as carrot sticks or an apple instead of junk food that you may be craving. Yes, you can sometimes cheat with small amount of food that you're craving. Tip number 11. Avoid sugary drinks. Sugary drinks make you fat. They contain all varieties of sweeteners like high fructose corn syrup, sucrose, fruit juice concentrates, and many more. A single can of cola contains sugar amount which is equal to 9 teaspoons of sugar, which is obviously bigger amount than your body's daily requirement. And this extra sugar gets further stored in the form of fat. So please religiously quit that soft drinks habit today itself. Tip number 10. Eat fruits in place of sweets. When you crave sugary foods, try eating your favorite fruits instead. There is no limit in having water-filled fruits such as watermelon and cantaloupe, which help you feel fuller for a long time. You can also eat berries, which are rich source of antioxidants. Tip number 9. Hide unhealthy foods. I suggest you try not to buy those unhealthy foods from the market in the first place. But still, we tend to buy those Oreos and bag of chips. What can you do is try hiding those foods out of your easy reach and try keep healthy foods around you in case you feel hungry. Tip number 8. Eat less carbohydrates. Try to avoid high starchy and sugary foods such as breads, pastas, and starchy veggies. Keep track of high carbohydrate foods in your diet and try to limit them. Include more proteins in your diet. Proteins can help you control your carbohydrate cravings. Corn, potato, sweet potato, white bread, banana, and bagel are some examples of high carbohydrate foods. Tip number 7. Eat more fiber food. Fiber foods help you in weight loss. Studies show that people eating more fiber foods see more effective changes in their weight loss speed. Increase intake of green vegetables, fruits, grains, beans, which are rich in fiber. Include more salad in your meals. It will help you feel more satisfied in fewer calories and prevent you from eating more. Tip number 6. Exercise regularly. Go for jogging or brisk walking for at least 30 minutes in the morning or evening. It is very easy and simple exercise to start with which you can follow regularly. Tip number 5. Eat spicy foods. Data of numerous studies shows that spices like cumin, cinnamon, turmeric, peppers, and chilies can raise your resting metabolism rate and slow down your appetite. So go ahead and add as much amount of chilies you want to have that your stomach of course can handle. Tip number 4. Enjoy your food. Can you eat your meal for whole 20 minutes? Well, practice eating your meal slowly and chewing each bite of your food for 32 times in your mouth. I'll tell you how that helps. 20 minutes is found to be amount of time required for your stomach to tell your brain to stop eating. That's how you'll consume lesser calories if you keep on eating your small meal for a longer duration. You'll automatically feel fuller after 20 minutes. Don't trust me? Just try it. Tip number 3. Use small plate. Using a small plate for meal can trick your brain into eating less. You'll automatically eat less portion with help of this trick. Using red plate can even help you more as it's the color that indicates you to stop. Tip number 2. Drink lots of water. Your body needs water to work efficiently. Water not only flushes all the toxins from your body but also helps you in burning fat. Wanna know how? Drinking water can boost metabolism by 30% over a period of 1 to 1.5 hours, helping you burn a few more calories. Drink half liters of water for about half an hour before your meals and see the magic happen. Tip number 1 is stay motivated. Reaching your goals becomes a lot more easier if you stay motivated. You can watch motivational videos on YouTube and other media. Listen to success stories of the people who have already lost their weight. Learn from their journey and just keep going. Although it will seem hard at some times, but remember, every little step you take, you move closer to your perfectly shaped dream body. Do not give up. And if you are seriously looking for a fast and natural solution for weight loss, then I suggest you click on the link in the description. And that's all. Make sure you subscribe to your fitness station and share these tips with your friends and family to help them in shedding little extra pounds. Thanks for watching. See you next time.